Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by going into Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the top left corner. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one. Tap on Settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Then tap on the back button and add your alarm thanks to this plus. First of all, you need to set up an hour. If you wish to use this alarm just once, you can tap on this switcher next to the light after it goes off to turn on this feature. You can turn it off by tapping on the same one. If you want for your alarm to repeat, tap on Repeat section and apply one of those options: once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you wish to choose custom, tap on days of the week that you wish to set up and save them by hitting OK. Then tap on ringtone. To pick music from your smartphone, tap on Choose Local Ringtone. Select one of those sources and click on the song that you wish to add. Then select OK at the bottom. You can also go back, click on pre-installed ringtones instead, and apply one of them, like acoustic guitar. Remember to save your changes in the pop-up. Now select this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable it. Click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on OK. Lastly, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by clicking on this switcher next to it and selecting one of the available options. Then turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, hold it and tap on Delete option at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!